Here at the University of Iowa School of Social Work, we encourage all of our MSW students to pursue getting a social work license.
Why? Graduates seeking employment at many agencies or clinics actually need a license, an LMSW, to practice social work.
Even if a license is not required for a given social work position, the credential makes our graduates highly employable, demonstrates their proficiency in the field, and gives them high mobility to change jobs or fields as their interests change over time.
Additionally, the LMSW is foundational to social workers who want to get the LISW license to provide therapy in private practice. We are thrilled to tell you that 94% of our graduating MSW students who took the licensure test passed the first time around.
The national average is closer to 80%, so we are exceedingly proud of our students and their success.
They didn't all do it alone.
We offer a test prep workshop at no cost to students to help make sure they can demonstrate their knowledge, pass the test, and get right to work.
The online workshop is available for students in all 5 of our learning centers:
in Iowa City, Des Moines, Sioux City, the Quad Cities, and our online students too.
In March, we're observing National Social Work Month, and we're celebrating our 80th year educating social workers, and we invite you to celebrate with us.
Please make your gift online during the month of March to support the School of Social Work and our students, future Hawkeye social workers.
Your gift will help fund our test prep workshop and related resources,
which have proven to push up licensure test pass rates and ensure career preparedness for our MSW students.
Then, share our giving page with others in your network. The more alumni and friends make gifts, the longer we can commit to providing the seminar to our students free of charge.
And keep support coming their way from those who came before them. We are so grateful to have you in our network, and we hope that you will join us in actively supporting our current and future students.
Thank you. And happy National Social Work Month from the University of Iowa School of Social Work.